Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Mike. Thanks for all the views and likes for the other video. Appreciate it. Glad it worked out. I mean, I could have did it a little better. Could have asked more questions that I thought afterwards, but it is what it is. I can do another one in the future. Today, I wanted to do a different type of video today. I'm actually gonna take you guys on a service call. Customer, I've been here before on other things. They're usually in and out. They're out of town right now, so she let me in, told me what's the problem. It's a refrigerator. So I'm gonna try to do this the best way I can. I'm not gonna really edit that much, and I'm not gonna make it too long. I'm just gonna make it kind of quick. So I'm gonna take you guys with me on a call, and just to see my process on how I guess do some diagnosis. Now this fridge is a little older. It's not electronic, so there's not going to be any diagnostic codes or anything like that to pull up through here. So it's just this mechanical stuff. You just got to see what's going on with it. Got my little tripod. I'm gonna try to set you guys up, so bear with me for a little bit. I gotta get in here. So I usually have my clipboard with me. I usually have you see my backpack. I'm using my other one today. This one is a little bit more comfortable than the DeWalt one. So we'll see. What she said is the fridge is not cooling, so we're just gonna see what the problem is. Beautiful Florida. Okay. Alright. Bear with me, guys. Just gotta get in here real quick. I'm glad to have an opportunity to actually do this, because sometimes you can't really get an opportunity to do this. Let's see. All right, here we go. All right. So here is the fridge. So let me get you guys set up here. Try to get you guys on this tripod. See what I can do. Okay. This is a Frigidaire gallery. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step what I do usually. So it feels a little cool. I'm gonna check the temperature, the freezer first. Always kind of test my temperature gun on my hand. Definitely warm in here. You can see that 57. So water's not freezing. I've known her for a while, so I told her to put a water seat. She says it's been freezing, but it seems like it's not. So I got to try to see what's going on. Now with this model, it's older, like I said, so the controls are here, and you have one in the freezer. Now I'm gonna test, or just see what's going on with the coils first, see if there's, I don't hear anything going on. Okay. So just so you guys know, this side is actually for the damper door. It's not electronic control. It just opens and closes the damper door. This is the actual electronic control, and make sure it's off. So I don't hear anything. All right, not working. All right, so what I'm gonna do, first thing I'm gonna do is pull it out. Go in the back. it might get a little dark. I'm trying to do this the best way I can, but this is kind of how I do things. Test the overload relay, see how they're going. Unplug it. So I'll come down here. Alright, so sometimes it's a breath of fresh air working on the older stuff. I don't know if I have this right, but now this is a key thing that I tell people to get. 1/4 inch on one side, let me see if you can see, and 5/16 on another side, so I can just flip it back. Sorry if this is not the best quality, but so you can see it's an older unit. Compressor is cold. It's been plugged in cold, so it hasn't been, that lets me know it hasn't been running at all. So let's see. I'm gonna test the relay. First, usually what I do is physically test it. Okay, seems like it's okay as far as I don't hear any. Then I get the meter out. Need your meter. And just checking for, see if I'm getting, alright, and usually what I would do, I'm not doing the full, this is for more experienced guys who've you know, been working and knows what's going on. So relay seems to be okay to me. I'm just doing quick tests, testing the compressor, make sure there's no ground outs. Okay, good with that. So please don't come at me saying, oh, you didn't properly check, you didn't tell us what you did, you didn't. I'm just going through it. I have a lot of work to do today, and I just wanted to try to fit this in for you guys just to see. So to me, overload and relay is good. This model, I have to double check to see, but most likely there is a, and you see this is horrible. But check to see if there is a timer or a control board. Most likely there's a timer, so that's what I'm gonna go to next to see if I can advance it or to see, but most likely what I'm leaning towards now as the issue is actual thermostat, because when I turned it on and off, I didn't hear any anything. So it's gonna see what, and there's a way to test these thermostats too, since it's older, you know. And I think I might show you guys that today as well, so if I got enough time. But I'm thinking that's what it is so far, because like I said, I don't see overload relay is good, compressor's cold, so it's telling me that either the timer is not engaging to come on or the thermostat is not engaging to come on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the front. I'm gonna take the thermostat apart, and then we're gonna see what we see there. So, like I said, bear in mind this is just running through it real quick just to see what's going on and to show you guys everything. So, this is the thermostat here. And we're gonna take it apart. Now, if there's things that you haven't been into before, always look around first. Now, you know, you look in there, you see where the screws are, remember where you're taking it apart at. So you'll see me take this apart real quick. And we'll keep it moving. Let's see. I'm gonna use my extension. Trying to do the best I can. just switched over to this bag, so everything is in a different spot. Alright. So this is just how I do things. I might do things differently sometimes, but in general, I just go off of what I kind of know and what I kind of feel first. And doing this for so long, and the issue that I'm seeing right now is leaning toward this thermostat. Okay. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it back in. I'm gonna actually bypass the thermostat just to be sure that's what it is. And then once I know that's what it is, I'm gonna replace it. I think I might, but I know I'm probably gonna have to order this one. I have a couple old ones, but I don't think I have this model. But just to show you guys, the thermostat is right here. And what, oh, let me see. Yeah, right there. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna complete the circuit just to see if the compressor kicks on. And, you know, we'll know that's the culprit. Now, I'm not gonna say, let me put another disclaimer out there. This is not the end all and be all to test certain things, but this is how I do things, and this is the fastest for me. So we'll see. Put it together. Okay, so now it's plugged in. You see the light. First, I'm gonna play with it a little bit. See. Okay, we got nothing. So what I'm gonna do is, usually you should turn the power off, but, you know, yeah, what I'll do is I'll turn the power off just to give it a reality of what if a customer was in here, because that's just what you want to do. You want to turn the power off, you want to take the wires apart. One thing I'm going to say too, you guys should always have in your bag is a jumper wire. So you can always test certain things, especially on the mechanical ones. I'm not gonna say the newer stuff, you don't necessarily need it that much, but on the older stuff, you can, just to teach yourself some things, just to see how it works without it or what it does. You can't leave a thermostat bypassed. There's a reason why you can't, but it's a good way to temporarily get a customer going, or, you know, if it's for a day or two, you can always do that. So I always tend to try to get people going and then come back, and because they, I mean, at the end of the day, they just want some type of relief, want things to work. So I always tell people, don't leave thermostats, because you're gonna have a call back. I mean, you guys know, technicians know what I'm talking about. So pretty much, all right, put a jumper cable on there, plug it in, we'll see what happens. And also, nothing happened. So that's another thing you gotta check for, but okay. What I'm gonna check is the actual timer. See if the timer is not in defrost. If it is, that's what causes it to not come on as well. So let me come down here. So here is the timer here. I can kind of hear it. So it might be in a defrost. So what I'll do is take out the jumper first, put the thermostat wires back, which I should have did first, but see, that's how it is when you're doing a video. I'm trying to do, I told myself to check the actual timer first to see where it was, but we'll do that now. Where is my screwdriver? Okay. Right. I need another screwdriver. I always have multiple screwdrivers. That's what I tell people too. But this is how you advance the timer. You just usually need a bigger one.